to keep your sanity, you must create a problem-free zone, solutions only. Hi, I'm Nordine Zouareg. In this short video, I will show you how to create a problem-free zone, solutions only. You see, managing people or even managing yourself is not that easy, as you may know. When I was in management, in the beginning, I would let people, my first years of management, it was a disaster because I would let people come and overwhelm me with their problems and just dropping their stuff on my desk and hoping that I would find a solution. But that was impossible because you cannot solve all the problems of the world all by yourself. So one day I sat down and started to think about creating a way that would simplify things for me on top of all the tasks that I had to accomplish for the day as a manager. I was trying to solve my staff's problems. Of course, it's for the sake of the whole company, but still, I don't think it's fair to you or the company and get stressed out about this or get more stress your way. So I wrote down problem-free zone. At the bottom, solutions only. And I framed it and put it on my wall in my office. And I told all of my staff that from then on, they would have, when they encountered an issue or had a problem, they would not only start thinking about the way to solve it, or at least initiate the solution. Be creative and initiate a solution, and then come to me and give me both the problem and something that you have come up with that would lead to a solution. Not only that, but take the time to think about it. Stop, think, and start creating your own solutions. Even if they're not complete. When my staff understood that my office was a problem-free zone and they had to come up with their solutions, or at least an idea to solve the problems, everything started to flow, to go in the right direction. We were able to free up time and energy and do a lot more, save money. And it's important to not only explain to whoever you are, and this can work anywhere. I mean, whether it's at work or it's dealing with your partner, your kids, you can explain and hold them accountable for their own problems, and so they don't have to come in and drop their problems on your lap. Things really get much better in any kind of relationship. Problem-free zone. In other words, before you enter my office, or before you're about to drop the bomb, I need you to have some sort of solution, even if it's not the right one, but something that we can both work on and finally find the solution. I hope you understand this important fact that if you let people drop stuff on you, whether it's personal or business, you are going to be overwhelmed and most likely not be able to solve any of them. That's going to stop you or slow you down at the least, or stop you altogether. Stress is a nasty thing. So you don't want unnecessary added stress in your life. You have your own stuff to deal with, let alone dealing with other people's problems. So if you're in management, you're a director, an executive, and you're managing people, it's important that you help them solve their problems. But you cannot try to help them without even ask him to start thinking about the solution. So make a frame a board, a little board, and hang it on the wall. Problem-free zone, solutions only. Same with your children or whoever. You can print out some little cards and give them to them so they understand. They can practice with that, and then it becomes automatic. They'll know not to come to you without a solution, or start thinking about the solution. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please like and subscribe. And also, please visit my website at NordineZouareg.com. NordineZouareg.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.